If you want to permanently close your Evernote account, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it safely and avoid missing anything important. Before you start, remember that closing your account is permanent, so if you have notes, notebooks, attachments, or anything important saved in Evernote, make sure you export or back it up first. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and search for Evernote account settings. You can also go directly into your Evernote account if you're already signed in. Once you land on your account summary, look at the left-hand tab and click on Account Status. This is where Evernote keeps the account closure option. On the Account Status page, find and select Close Account. After you click that, Evernote will take you to a README page. Take a moment here and review the information carefully, because this page explains what happens when you close your account. Once you've read everything and you understand that the account will be permanently closed, check the box that says I understand, then click Continue. Next, you'll be taken to the Contact Info page. Here, verify your details carefully. Make sure your name, location, and email address are correct and up to date. If anything needs to be changed, update it before moving forward. Then click Continue. If Evernote shows a CAPTCHA, complete it carefully. This is important because it confirms the request is coming from a real person and not an automated bot. After that, you'll arrive at the My page. On this screen, confirm your account details again and check all the required boxes. Don't rush this step because you want to make sure you're submitting the correct closure request for the right account. Once everything is checked, click Continue. Now you'll see the Submission page. This is your final review screen, so go over the request one more time and make sure everything looks right. If you're completely sure you want to go ahead, click Submit to permanently close your Evernote account. After you submit the request, Evernote may send a confirmation email with additional instructions. If that happens, go to your inbox and follow the steps in the email to complete the process. Make sure to check your spam or promotions folder too, just in case the message doesn't appear right away. And that's it. Your Evernote account closure request is submitted, and once confirmed, your account will be permanently closed. Just remember, this also means you'll lose access to your synced notes and stored content, so always export anything important before starting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.